There's Martin now. What year is it? It's 2020 now, Martin?
Yeah.
The year is 2020 right now. Martin, then. Yeah,
Rewind it for you.
yeah, oh yeah, yeah. So there's Martin today. Now.
Fucking crossway.
I don't know how to get rid of them. There we go.
There you go, pause it. You should pause it when it's coming in. Then they can see you. So now we're showing you now and then. This is the Jaywick All Along the Watchtower barbecue in 2006. It's now 2020, March. And Martin, today, looks like Martin does today.
Yeah.
And then Martin, 14 years ago, Martin looked like this. Let him play your whole scene, Martin. You might have to rewind it a bit. Yeah, little Frankie. Oh, yummy.
So young.
We had the technology.
Sterling doing.
What do you think of the technology, Mr. Bond?
Fantastic.
Technology in 2006.
Construction cube run.
And what do you think about all this for like 120 pounds, 125 pounds? Is it worth it or not? Beautiful.
Good value for money.
Good value, good value.
Do you like cheese? You like cheese?
Yeah, we need cheese, sir. I forgot about cheese. You got some pudding.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is us today in the year 2020. And that was me and Martin in 2006. And the only thing that's changed is Dylan. You wasn't here then. Where did you come from? The only thing that's changed is Dylan. So shine on everybody, because real people do not change. People don't need to change. Real people will never change. That's it now. Real people will never change. You know that. So that's why we can make these films and always be honest as I am. I've got nothing to hide, nothing to fear. It's all real what you see. This is me, this is Martin. That was us in 2006. This is us in 2020. And not much has changed in the last 14 years.
Little Danny,
Yes, a lot of things have changed, but we're still the same, aren't we, Martin?
We are, bruv, we are.
Nothing, and we've always got a secret handshake, which it ain't a secret now because you know about it. Peace, love, unity, respect. And that's a secret handshake you just learned. So shine on. That was me and Martin at the Jaywick barbecue, all along the Watchtower, 2006. Today in the year 2020. Martin, we haven't changed. Have we, Dylan?
What's the time?
Dylan's been the star of this film at the moment. Just seemed naturally. He's very happy to be up. He's relaxing. Oh, good boy. And there you go. It's the life of a French bulldog. It is to relax. Happy Sunday, everybody. And I hope you liked the video about the Jaywick All Along the Watchtower barbecue, because this was that was then, and this is us 14 years later. Thank you, Martin. Shine on, brother.
Shine on, bruv.
Shine on. Dylan too.